In front of me is the OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to scroll down and click on Security and Location. Now tap on Screen Lock and select the best login method for you, pattern, PIN or password. Click on the chosen one and tap on Yes or No in Secure Startup pop-up. I will go with No. Then enter your login method, choose Next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on Confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you need to answer this question. When your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show? Click on one of the answers. I will go with Don't show notifications at all and tap on Done. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!